Hello, my friends, and today we have some unpacking, unboxing, and in Russia it sounds like раскоробкинг. So, if you remember, ordered we ordered our um, drone and remote control, and FPV goggles for FPV drone mm, flight. We will try how it works, and with my friend we will try to learn this, to understand how it works, and these feelings, because for me it's some interesting thing when uh, FPV drones pilots are have some uh, competitions, and when I saw these races, it's something uh, amazing, so fast driving, and it's with these small things, small drones, and so fast, so like uh, pilot of flight, pilot of aeroplanes, and something like this, but really small things. And so, 2 weeks ago, we ordered this from our town, from people who's doing learning competitions, and uh, buying, sell these things, and we complicated. We ordered this stuff. It's one complete for start. It's not so expensive, because all this complete it was something around $150, not too much, and it's start pack. And let's go, let's see what it is. So go. Beta FPV complete radio transmitter. um, let's go. Ah. Oh yeah, so white, and on this points it's some soft touch uh, laser, not laser, eco laser, something else, and it's so um, quality, so quality thing, and really nice feeling about from this thing. Beta FPV control transmission. So in this place only this stuff and charging. Let's go next. Beta FPV VR 02 FPV goggles. Oh, oh, it's also interesting soft touch, and oh, we have complete with in this case it's some support beta FPY and it's for control stuff. Also, you know, it's so high quality things. It's nice. It's nice. And last thing, it's our drone. Let's go. It's air. It's also air. So nice case. It's so small. You see this? It's so small thing. It's really much smallest drone what I saw. So pretty nice thing. And so we have it's battery complete. It's 2 batteries in complete with drone, and also we ordered full complete one more complete. We ordered 2, and in this complete it's eight batteries. And finally we have 8 and 2 10 batteries, and 10 batteries it's pretty enough for trains, for something flyings. And I don't know how time we will have with one battery. If I remember, it's something around 3 minutes 3 minutes. And if it works, we have half an hour. Yeah, half an hour. So let's see. This we have here. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts, and it's simple. It's like not like, but it's something really simple. So it's good news. 8 batteries and 2 in stock. 10 batteries. I'm excited. So what it is? It's brushless frame. It's frame. It's not service details. It's not removing details. Oh, it's hard packing. Okay. We have 2 frames, yellow and cyan, and I think it's for some safety pack. No, it's this part. It's this part, and it's a frame. It's frame for a drone. Okay. So 2 frames. And is it what it is? Oh, it's charger. Yeah, it's charger complete, and it's some details. If you will broke something, it's one complete um, with tool, and it's second complete. I'm not sure what it is, what these details means, but I will know about this a little later. So interesting moment, and we will be try to fly with friends, um, maybe tomorrow or maybe day after tomorrow. I'm excited, and it's a interesting toy for trainings, for learning something new skills, and I'm not sure how it will be and how fast it will broken. I'm not sure, but we will try to do something useful with this. So thank you for watching today, and see you tomorrow.